on in your Mac operating system. I'm using the Windows operating system here, so we can see how to install and configure Bluestacks in Windows operating system. So before starting to install this application, just go to bluestack.com and we just need to download the application. So here is the download location. If you just click it, the application will get loaded and you can just start installing the application like this, and it will take about a minimum of 250 MB for downloading the application. So still that you need to wait and make sure you have a good bandwidth connection before installing this application. So here you can see that after the installation of the Bluestack application, I'm getting this window like this, and here you can install all the application, and here you can see the back button, menu button, and the settings button, so that you can transfer from one place to another. And here you can see the Android is upgrading. So if it asks for any download, you need to give the download, then only the application will works fine. And here also you can see the share button and full screen button and close button. Just making it to the full screen. And all the applications are getting upgraded, and you need to wait for this to get finished. It is nothing but the Android emulation application. So what all the things you can do with the help of the Bluestack application is, you can do whatever things which you are doing in your Android application. So it is asking for the location service. I am just going to give disagree, since I don't want to enable my location to get traced with the help of Google. And now I'm going to explain all the things which I'm having here. So you can see, I'm just scrolling down, you can see all the applications which is available by default, but if you want to go to the back button, you can just simply give the back button. Since I have not transferred to any other location, it was not going, and I am just selecting the menu button, it was also not working. And this is the settings button, so no recent applications have been found. And I'm just, after giving this, I'm just using the menu button, it has returned to the location. And this is the sharing button, which you can share this to Windows and also to the Picasa. And I'm just going to select back here, and this is the close button which will close the application. And now what I'm going to do here is, I'm just going to search for some other application, like, what to say, games. Sorry, we'll just go to Temple Run. And it is asking for one-time setup, that is it is asking to enable the App Store and the App Sync. I'm just going to give continue, and it is asking for a Google account. So this is what I have tried to explain to it. So here you need to give your Google account. This application will ask for your Google account, so you need to give a valid Google account for using in this Bluestack application. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give my existing account. So just a minute, I'll just return back. Yes, I'll just go there again, and it is asking for the regular application verification. I'm just going to select the client, because if I use some of the applications from the unknown sources for checking purpose, it will deny the application, and it will always connect to the internet at some point for checking some of the applications. So I am just going to decline it. So use your, sorry, and the keyboard was not utilizing, so I will check it again later. And here you can see you can use the browser sign-in option, and here you can see the keyboard option, but the keyboard does not getting used in the Windows operating system. And if you're using the Windows tablet or some other kind of Windows tablet, means you can use it there. And here you can also see the moving button, which will be transfer from one place to another place, and this one also you can use. Now I'm just going to select next, and it will ask for privacy policy terms of services on the Google Play terms of service. I'm just going to select OK, and it was signing in. So you need to have valid internet connection for the signing in, and you just need to wait for some time to get it done. So it has been finished, and you can just select the backup your data to the Google account and keep me updated with news offers. And I'm just keep it as it is, or if you want you can change the settings, and just selecting next. And now I'm just going to select enable application sync. I'm just going to continue here. If you see here, it was a enable application sync page. It was asking for, it was throwing some error. Actually it was asking for the data connection here, so we'll check it later. I'm just going to select, click here. It will take for some time to get logged into the Google account, and make sure you have a valid Google account and also a valid internet connection. And if you have a faster internet connectivity, then it will be easier for you to download and install all the applications. Now it was done, and let's go to the next part. If you see, the Play Store has came, and you have all the applications here. For example, we will just try to search for some applications. Google search. You see, it is coming. It is showing the Google search and the Chrome browser, Firefox, and just check it for some other applications like Temple Run. You see, you're getting the Temple Run application here. It is showing like the normal tablet page. So let's go to the menu, and here you have a lot of applications here by default. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this person. So I think you came to know when I'm clicking this app that it was just a shortcut, and the Bluestack application was making you to click the application to get redirected into the Google Play Store. So everything here is all the applications here. I'm just going to select all applications, and here you can see all the settings, browser, help menu, app sync, and the Bluestack settings in your next window. And I'm just going to select Bluestack settings to view all the current settings which is available here. And here you can see all the important settings which is available here, and I'm just going to select advanced settings, and here you can see all the Android applications settings like accessibility, date and time, whichever you can see in your phone. So let's go to the date and time. If you see here, you can see all the application by default, but most of the application default settings cannot be seen here, like Wi-Fi, something cannot be seen here. So you need to have a mobile phone to use those settings. Storage, in the sense you can see all the things. Let's see what all things it was available here. You see here it was taking a minimum of about 7 GB of space here, and the SD card, it was also taking 7 GB of space here by default. And I'll show you my computer C drive settings, that is a space. So you can see I have 16 GB of free space here, and but the Bluestack was by default taking 7 GB of internal storage, and also the 8 GB of internal storage, and also 8 GB of SD card settings. And the language and input, you can see the dictionary, keyboard, physical keyboard, everything you can see here. Let's check the keyboard here. It is a default keyboard whichever you are using in your PC. I'm just going to select the UK here, and just come back and selected it, and I'm just going back, and let's see what are the settings which are available here. First, Cloud Connect. It will sync your Android phone with your Bluestack application and also with your PC, that is the application which you have installed in it, and you need to have valid connection in your phone and as well as in your PC or in your laptop, wherever the Bluestack application was installed. I'm just going to select yes and select next. Here you need to give the email address and your phone number so that the application will be sent to your, that is a downloading location will be sent to your phone for pairing purpose, and you need to do a lot of things here to sync your phone, but you need to have, it will take a more internet usage data to finish this process. So keep in mind and check your data pack regularly if you have installed this one. I'm just going to select back and give next, and the next thing is language. You can see what other language you can use it here, whichever understood for you. And the keyboard settings, by default I have given the keyboard settings to the English UK Android keyboard. I'm just going to select back, and this is the date and time settings, and this is import Windows file. So let's check what are the Windows files we can import. You see it was asking for a location, so right now what I'm going to give is, I'll go to a path, And now I'm going to select a multimedia. So, okay, I will just select an audio song. Okay, I'll just select an audio song. I have selected OK. If you see successfully imported files, and now you can use these files in your apps. So like this, you can import your files from your operating system to the Bluestacks application, that is an application. And keep in mind that this file may also get synced with your mobile phone, so you need to be careful in your data package. And you can go to the managing all the accounts which are available in your phone, and you can also manage your contacts here. So there's a default contact, and this is used for managing the applications and application sizes and your volume settings. So these are the things you can do here. I'm not having the camera, so if you have a cam here, you can use this application. And if you go to the app sync, it is asking for the Google username and password, so I'm just going to like this. This only I have just explained it to you in the Bluestacks. Yeah, this is the thing. So both the things are same, so you don't need to worry about things. And this is the browser from where you can browse for all the applications. Sorry, that is all your websites here. You can browse all your websites here. For example, I am just going to give google.com. You see, it's acting like a normal Android browser. And if you go to the help menu, you can see the help of Bluestacks. And for accessing your file, you need to go to the I just copied a file from my Windows operating system, so I'm going to try to access those files. So I'm just going to install this application. This is a file manager application which was used in the Android software. So it was getting downloaded. See, if you see, you can see your notification here. I'm just going to, you can just check this open button to open your application, or you can go to your menu to open your application. Here you can see your file manager. Just selected it and it was getting prepared. Yeah, so let's check for that file. So here it is. storage, SD card, Windows, BSD share folder. So by this you can confirm that we have the application. So we have the file which was successfully transferred to the Bluestack application location. That is the storage location. And also one thing, keep in mind that you will get this ad whenever you have connected internet. If you don't need this ad to get in your Bluestack application, that is in your Android emulator, you need to disable your internet, then only it will be. Okay, I'll just go to the menu. So this is what I need to explain to you, and if you have any doubts you can just check me in my YouTube webpage, or subscribe for all my videos for this kind of tutorials. And thank you for watching the video, friends.